Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today I am going to teach you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy and the topic name is Bill of Exchange. Chalo, let's read the problem, understand the problem and then solve the problem. Okay, yeah, what is our problem? Today I am going to teach you question number 7 on the page number 306. Come on, read along with me. Priyanka owe Meena 18,000. प्रियंका एक्सेप्ट द बिल ड्रॉन बाय मीना। ओ मतलब उधारी। प्रियंका को मीना को पैसे देने हैं। ओ का मतलब है कि यू हैव टू गिव मनी टू द अनदर पर्सन। ओके, नाउ लीव दैट सेंटेंस, विल गो टू द सेकंड सेंटेंस। प्रियंका accepted the bill, Priyanka is accepting the bill. Okay, when Priyanka is accepting the bill, I have made you something like that. Do you remember it, students? Yeah. Yes, Priyanka, see here it is accepted. Accepted matlab Priyanka will come here. Priyanka. Okay, Priyanka will come here. Okay, Priyanka accept the bill. Another person is Meena. So obviously Meena will be the other person. Yes, so Meena. Now see, already have told you, you can do this way. So when you write this way, you come to know that Meena is a drawer and Priyanka is a drawee. So to understand who is the drawer and who is the drawee, it's very easy for you. And then the entries become very easy. Now Priyanka accept the bill drawn by Meena. So we have seen through our exercise that Priyanka is a drawee and Meena is a drawer for 4 months. Meena endorsed the bill same to Sagar. What do you mean by endorse? Endorse means transferring the bill. So this bill is a non-negotiable instrument. It can be transferred from one person to the another. Because if you remember, what are you writing in bill of exchange? You write pay to me or my order. What are you writing? Pay to me or my order. That means you can transfer the bill to another person also. Before due date, Priyanka approached Meena for renewal of bill. Renewal means matlab for entry of us, cancellation, interest, part payment, new bill. On that condition that 6,000 to be paid immediately together with interest. See, this time what she is saying? 6,000 plus interest together with interest and remaining amount 8% per annum for 3 months. Priyanka should accept a new bill for the balance amount. The agreement was carried out. Now let's start with बच्चा सबसे पहले आपका एंट्री yes क्वेश्चन में क्या मांगा है आपको पहले तो वो देख लेते हैं. Give the journal entries in the books of Meena. Meena मतलब who is a Meena? Meena is a drawer. So they're asking you journal entries in the books of drawer. Okay, so what is the entry first? Bill drawn ka entry. First will be the bill drawn. What is the entry when the bill is drawn? Bill receivable account debit to Priyanka account. What is the entry? Yes, what is the entry? Bill receivable account debit. Bill receivable account debit to Priyanka account. What is the entry? Bill receivable account debit to Priyanka account. Okay, bill receivable account debit to Priyanka account. Yes, what is the amount of the bill? How much is Priyanka owes Meena? 18,000. So bill is of 18,000. Okay, so 18,000. Yeah. What is the, what after accepting, what is happening? Meena endorsed the same bill to Sagar. So you're transferring the bill from one person to another. Who is getting the bill now? Sagar is getting the bill. So Sagar is a receiver and your bill goes out. Am I correct? So your entry is Sagar account debit. 2. What are you giving it to Sagar? You're giving Sagar bill receivable account. Obviously you're passing the same bill, the amount will be same. What will be the amount? 18,000. Yes, you're passing on the bill, so the amount will be same. The amount will be 18,000. Okay, students. Chalo, next. What is happening? Endorse the bill. Before due date, Priyanka approached for the renewal of bill. Now say renewal. Renewal means bill will be the cancel for renewal, interest calculation, part payment, and the new bill. So this time again, whenever the bill is dishonored, I've already told you, drawee will always be in the this. So it is it will be debited. So it is Priyanka account debit. Now tell me, students, what have you done with the bill? What have you done with the bill? Is bill with you? No. Is bill you have discounted in the bank? No. This time you have endorsed the bill. Endorsed the means you have given the bill to the Sagar. So it will go to Sagar account. Okay, students? It will be Sagar account debit. Interest entry, everyone knows what is the interest entry. I think it has by hearted it to you now, all of you. Priyanka account debit to, see, interest account. Okay, Priyanka account debit to interest account. See, in this, there interest is our income, that's why it is on coming on the credit side. Debit all expenses, credit all income and gain. Yes, after that what will be the entry? Yes, part payment, receiving of the part payment. So cash or bank account debit. 2. Who is giving you the money? Priyanka. Yes, Priyanka account. Okay, so cash account debit to Priyanka account. Narration is compulsory. And then last but not the least, again your entry is bill receivable account debit to, who is giving you the bill? Priyanka account. Okay, now let's write the amount of it. Yeah, now bill was of how much? 18,000. Obviously cancellation will also be of 18,000. Interest, now we'll calculate the interest calculation has to be done, it is not directly given it to you. What they're saying, 6,000 to be paid immediately together with the interest on remaining 8% per annum. See, 18,000 may say 6,000 दे रहे, तो बचा कितना 12,000. So whatever is the remaining amount, on that you are supposed to calculate the interest. Remember always, whatever is the remaining amount, you will be calculating a interest. Now see, what is the bill amounts? 18,000 minus 6,000 आप पेमेंट कर दे रहे हो. जब आपने पेमेंट कर दिया तो उसके ऊपर आप इंटरेस्ट क्यों दोगे? जो पैसा आप नहीं भरे उसके ऊपर आप इंटरेस्ट दोगे. सो इट इज हाउ मच? 12,000. 12,000 के ऊपर 8%, बोलो कितना आ रहा है? It is coming to 960. Okay, so 960 डिवाइड बाय 12. साल में 12 महीने होते हैं कि नहीं? और नए बिल कितने महीने के लिए बन रहा है? द न्यू बिल इज एक्सेप्टेड फॉर 3 months. द न्यू बिल इज एक्सेप्ट फॉर 3 months. तो 3 महीने के लिए होगा तो हम बच्चों 3 महीने का इंटरेस्ट देंगे ना, हम ज्यादा क्यों देंगे? एम आई करेक्ट? सो मेरा इंटरेस्ट कितना आ रहा है? 240 रुपीज. व्हाट इज माई इंटरेस्ट? 240. So I'll write here 240. Okay, see, I have written being bill endorsed, being been cancelled, being interest calculated. Now what was the sentence? Yes, again I'll, you have to be very particular about this. Amina agreed on the condition that 6,000 to be paid immediately together with interest. Together with interest, यानी कि 6,000 प्लस इंटरेस्ट हमें कैश में चाहिए. तो 6,000 प्लस इंटरेस्ट कितना हुआ आपका? 6,240. कितना हुआ? 6,240. तो ऑब्वियसली बचा हुआ अमाउंट आपका कितना हो गया? 12,000. तो आप 12,000 का न्यू बिल एक्सेप्ट करोगे. समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स? ये चारों एंट्री हर बार whenever there is a cancellation you are supposed to do this 4 entries. Remember it. कैंसलेशन, इंटरेस्ट, पार्ट पेमेंट और न्यू बिल. और इंटरेस्ट का देख लेना है हमें. वी हैव टू रीड द प्रॉब्लम प्रॉपर्ली कि इंटरेस्ट इज इन कैश और इन द न्यू बिल. ओके, चलो अभी न्यू बिल के साथ क्या हुआ आगे विल रीड द प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज अ न्यू बिल फॉर द बैलेंस? द एग्रीमेंट वाज कैरिड आउट, हमने काम कर दिया. द अरेंजमेंट वाज कैरिड आउट, कर दिया. हाउएवर before due date Priyanka became insolvent and only 50% of amount could be recovered. Okay, now Priyanka is becoming insolvent. Priyanka क्या हो रही है? Insolvent. Insolvent मतलब once again आपका बिल कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आपका बिल dishonor हो जाएगा. Insolvent means you are not able to pay the money. So when you are not able to pay the money, what will be the entry when you are becoming insolvent? It is bill receivable account debit. 2. Who is becoming insolvent? Priyanka. Yes, to Priyanka account. Being Priyanka became insolvent. See, what was the new amount of the bill? 12,000. Obviously, so bill will be dishonor will be of 12,000 only. And then what they are saying, 50 paise in the rupee could be recovered. So you will write here Priyanka account debit. 2. You'll get some money, cash or bank account, and the remaining will be your bad debts. See, what is the meaning of bad debts? The debt which cannot be recovered is called as bad debts account. Okay, see, this money will not be recovered because now the person has become totally an insolvent. Okay, chalo. Yes, so bill was of 12,000. Bill was of 12,000. 50 paise in a rupee could be recovered. That means 6,000 is recovering 6,000. Okay, students, by this we have completed the problem. Homework for you is you will be doing